Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford Edge HVAC blower loud noise and discusses potential problems that can cause unusual or excessive sounds from the heating and air conditioning blower system during operation. This issue is generally noticed as rattling, whistling, grinding, or humming noises when the fan is running, and it can occur at startup, during speed changes, or continuously while the HVAC system is on. The behavior and severity of blower noise can vary depending on model year, mileage, climate conditions, and maintenance history, and it may not affect every Ford Edge. In some Ford Edge vehicles, loud HVAC blower noise may indicate debris such as leaves or dust entering the blower housing, especially if the cabin air filter area is exposed or overdue for service. In other cases, verified service information shows that worn blower motor bearings can create grinding or whining sounds over time. Electrical issues affecting blower motor speed control may also cause abnormal noise, particularly if the motor is operating inconsistently. On certain model years, housing alignment or vibration within the HVAC assembly could be a contributing factor. Some versions might also experience noise related to airflow restriction, which may be influenced by a clogged cabin filter, although this varies by usage and service intervals. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible solutions depend on the underlying cause and are not guaranteed for every vehicle. General guidance may include inspecting and replacing the cabin air filter if restricted, checking the blower motor for wear or imbalance, ensuring the blower housing is free of debris, and verifying that electrical components related to blower speed are functioning correctly. In cases of internal motor wear, replacement of the blower motor assembly may be recommended based on professional diagnosis. Available owner feedback and service data indicate that HVAC blower noise is more commonly associated with higher mileage vehicles or those exposed to dusty or debris-heavy environments, though patterns can vary across different production years. Not all Ford Edge models experience this issue, and noise characteristics may differ depending on driving and climate conditions. In conclusion, a loud HVAC blower noise in a Ford Edge can stem from several documented factors, and the exact cause can differ by vehicle generation and condition. Proper inspection is essential to avoid unnecessary repairs and to restore normal cabin comfort. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.